The 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike continues the legacy of one of the most iconic touring motorcycles ever built, now presented in a three-wheel configuration that enhances stability and accessibility for a wider range of riders. This model caters to those who seek luxury and confidence on long-distance rides, especially riders who appreciate the added balance a trike offers without sacrificing the performance and styling of the original two-wheel version. Honda has retained the signature 1833cc flat-six engine, a marvel of smoothness and balance. This six-cylinder engine operates with almost no vibration, offering an incredibly refined riding experience. With around 125 horsepower and 170 Nm of torque, it delivers strong, consistent acceleration whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating mountainous terrain. The engine is liquid-cooled and uses 4 valves per cylinder, ensuring optimal performance and efficiency. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission is one of the standout features, allowing clutchless shifting with impressive precision. Riders can also choose a 6-speed manual version if they prefer traditional engagement. The DCT includes a walking mode that assists in low-speed maneuvering, especially helpful when parking or backing out of tight spaces with a trike's longer and wider footprint. The 2025 Gold Wing Trike is not just about engine and transmission, it's also about giving riders choices in how they experience the road. The 4 ride modes, Tour, Sport, Rain, and Econ, alter throttle response, braking feel, suspension behavior, and even the DCT shift timing. For instance, Sport mode sharpens throttle inputs and holds gears longer for a more spirited ride, while Econ mode maximizes fuel efficiency during relaxed cruising. The double wishbone front suspension system remains a key innovation in the Gold Wing lineup. This unique setup isolates road impacts from the handlebars, drastically reducing rider fatigue and improving handling. Combined with Pro-Link rear suspension, the Gold Wing Trike glides over bumps and road irregularities with ease. The Trike version enhances this comfort by adding greater road contact and resistance to tipping, making long journeys even more relaxing. Braking on the Gold Wing Trike is handled by electronically linked ABS that balances front and rear braking forces. The three-wheel layout adds extra braking power and surface grip, enhancing safety during sudden stops or when riding in wet or slippery conditions. Brake lever feel is progressive and firm, giving riders high confidence in all scenarios. Design-wise, the 2025 model carries a bold and aerodynamic silhouette. The wide front fairing, sculpted panels, and chrome accents give it a futuristic yet timeless look. The Trike conversion integrates smoothly with the original Gold Wing design, ensuring it doesn't feel like an afterthought. The rear end is wide and planted, with elegantly designed fenders covering the rear wheels and integrated lighting for increased visibility. Comfort remains a central pillar of the Gold Wing Trike's appeal. The seats are plush, wide, and deeply contoured to support long days in the saddle. Heated grips and seats come standard in most trims, ideal for riders who travel through varying climates. Wind protection is enhanced by the electric adjustable windshield that remembers your preferred height settings, minimizing buffeting at highway speeds. Storage has also been upgraded for Trike riders. The trunk offers 61 liters of space and is accompanied by redesigned saddlebags, all of which are weather-sealed and lockable. Whether you're packing for a weekend or a cross-country adventure, the Gold Wing Trike provides the storage capacity needed for serious touring. On the technology front, the 7-inch full-color TFT screen serves as the brain of the bike. It features Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, allowing riders to access navigation, calls, texts, and music seamlessly. The interface is intuitive and can be operated through handlebar controls or voice commands, keeping your hands and eyes where they belong, on the road. Another technological leap is the incorporation of advanced safety systems. These include adaptive cruise control that maintains a safe following distance, blind spot monitoring to alert you to unseen vehicles, and lane departure warning for added awareness on longer rides. Some trims also feature a front airbag system, a rare safety feature in the motorcycle world. In terms of performance, the Trike version does not compromise on speed or acceleration. With a top speed of around 143 miles per hour and the ability to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 3.5 seconds, it proves that three wheels can still deliver a sporty and thrilling experience. This makes it one of the fastest and most powerful trikes available on the market today. Fuel efficiency remains respectable despite its size and power. With an estimated 42 miles per gallon, and a fuel tank capacity of 5.5 gallons, the Gold Wing Trike can comfortably cover over 200 miles before needing a refill. That's a big plus for riders who enjoy long stretches of open road without constant fuel stops. The audio system is another area where Honda has gone above and beyond. The high-output speakers deliver crisp and immersive sound even at highway speeds. Combined with the quietness of the engine and the excellent wind protection, the music or GPS voice commands come through loud and clear. One of the more subtle but appreciated upgrades is the smart key system. Riders can now start the engine, unlock storage compartments, and even enable certain electronics without ever pulling the key out of their pocket. It's a small feature, but one that adds to the luxury feel of the entire experience. Customization is also a huge part of the Gold Wing Trike appeal. Riders can choose from several color schemes, chrome packages, lighting accessories, and even personalized upholstery options. Honda understands that many touring riders want their machines to be an extension of their personality and lifestyle. Pricing for the 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike starts around $24,700 for the base model and can reach up to $33,000 or more for premium versions with all the bells and whistles. While that places it in the high-end touring segment, it's worth every dollar for the comfort, performance, and reliability it offers. Availability is expected by October 2024 in most major markets, with pre-orders already open at many Honda dealerships. Trike conversion kits and models will be offered by authorized third-party manufacturers like Roadsmith and CSC, ensuring a seamless factory-level integration. For riders who demand the ultimate touring experience, luxurious, high-tech, safe, and stylish, the 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike delivers in every category. It's more than just a motorcycle. It's a rolling statement of freedom, precision engineering, and uncompromised adventure.